Chris and Tiffany here with High Seas Cruising, and welcome to our inside cabin tour here on the MSC Seascape, cabin 10252. All right, so coming in here from the front door, it says not a very large cabin, but for Tiffany and I, it is perfect. But we will start here in the bathroom. Of course, you have your towels, you have your sink, you have your product there on the wall. So one thing nice is does not have a shower curtain. It is a glass door. So at least the shower curtain is not giving you a fondle. All right, on this side you have one chair, one little bitty table. Tiffany is modeling those for us. Then you have your closet here. You do have some shelves. You have your safe.
Not a microwave.
Not a microwave, correct. You got some drawers down on this side. Put your stuff away. Oh, and they're the easy close drawers. Oh, nice. Then on the other side over here, you've got your hanging space. There are hangers on board. No need, plenty of hangers on board. So for those that panic about hangers, there you go. Plenty on board. And a place down there to set your bags. And it looks like a little shoe rack there at the bottom. It's kind of hard to see with Tiffany's suitcase in the way. But we'll come around here and you have the bed. A couple of beach towels. You do have one USB plug here on the left side of the bed with your little nightstand, but there is not a USB plug on the other side of the bed. Then coming around here, you have your little desk, mini bar, drawer area here. Now in your fridge, here on MSC, you do come with a mini bar setup, and you can see in there it's got a can opener, bottle opener, can opener. There's some beer, some soda, some water. Looks like some Pringles up there. Pringles look like they were open. I had to adjust those real quick because here is the price list if you decide to get anything out of the mini bar. So fruit juice is $4.25. Soda is $3.50. Sparkling water beer is $9. And $5 for a can of Pringles that is $1 in Walmart. So think about that before you get those. And then you do have some additional drawers over here. You got your hair dryer, the infamous scratchy nose tissue. Some more drawers here. You do have plugs, USB plugs, light switches, your phone, and your television here on the wall. And a nice big mirror to get ready. So just do a quick spin around the room one more time. Tiffany's back in her chair. And that is the tour of room 10252, an interior cabin here on MSC Seascape. Not a big room, not a large room, perfect for just two people. We don't spend a lot of time in the cabin. And I think for us, this is going to be perfect here for a 7-day cruise. Now, if you've enjoyed today's video, do me a favor and hit that like button. If you haven't done so yet, do me a favor and hit subscribe. It is free to do so. Helps our channel grow. Let you know anytime we put out a new video. Hope everyone out there is having a really great day. And like always, we will see you out on the high seas.